Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. Number 4, that's about 2 square. So we apply the formula in here. That is about a square minus b square equals to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So this one is about a square. This one that's about b square. So we will have about 2 plus x minus number 2 and 2 plus x plus 2. 2 minus 2 you got about 0. 2 plus 2 you got about 4. X divided by x, they will be number 1. And now we put number 0 gone here. And you got about number 4. This is the end. Thank you for watching.